Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this series, we will learn Python. But before we start coding, first of all, we should clearly know that what is Python. Python is a high-level and general-purpose programming language. From this definition, two questions rise in our mind. Number one, what is high-level? And the second one is, what is general purpose programming language? First we will discuss what is high level language. A high level language is any programming language that is generally independent of computer's hardware architecture. A high level language is a higher level of abstraction from the computer, and it focuses more on programming logic rather than underlying hardware components such as memory addressing and register utilization. A high level language are close to human language and further from machine language. Now we will discuss general purpose programming language. A general purpose programming language is a programming language designed to be used for writing software in the widest variety of application domain. It can be used for different purpose and in different domains. For example, we can use in desktop application, mobile application, web application, IoT and AI. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask me in comments. In next video we will discuss why should we learn Python.